Happy Monday morning. This is Brandon Campbell coming to you live again with 3 quick ways for you to make money offline. And one of them is really a great way to make money online. The first one, if you're really serious about making money online and you would like to, and you good with your hands and you would like to post as a service business, which I suggest that everybody start them a basic service business. Number one, because service business do great in a time of economic or financial crisis. Service businesses are always needed. The first place you would like to check out is TaskRabbit. Now, it may cost $25 to sign up and get your name registered. Ensure they're not going to guarantee to get you any work, but it's a great way to put up your little side hustle so that you can make you some money by the weekend or possibly every day. You decide to set your schedule and the hours that you're going to operate so that, you can make you a little money. Number two, Craigslist. Now, if you put the two together, Craigslist and TaskRabbit, surely you will be able to make you at least about $500 by the end of the week. Why? Because if you can make your ad pop and using TaskRabbit to set your own hours, people will call you for small tasks. It don't matter whether it's picking up, a piece of furniture from the store because somebody bought it, didn't have a car to deliver it. Hey, it's gonna get Christmas time. A lot of parents will be buying toys and stuff for their children that they will need somebody to deliver, or you just want to start a basic hauling service. Maybe you're good at painting and people always want their house painted. Number three, Teachable. This is for someone that might be really good at their craft. You can do demonstration works, shoot you a YouTube video, link it back to your website or whatnot. But this is a great way to earn extra cash so that you can leave that 9 to 5 behind. Right now, this economy isn't as good as it look. I know a lot of these financial analysts say we're in a good economy, but let's remember one thing. The economy does not dictate on how you live. You dictate on how you live. And the only way to do that is by owning your own business, on or offline, so that you can weather the storms and be able to make it and, don't have to depend on nobody else. If you like the content, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let me know how I can help benefit to you. Thank you and have a great day.